Good morning students. Welcome to our YouTube channel Home Tutorial. Today's topic nested loop. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to draw a simple star pattern. So for that we are going to follow some steps. So in step 1 we are going to first try to draw this structure. After that we will go for step 2 for this structure. So once we will achieve this one, then we will go to step 3 to split this structure as shown on the screen. And finally we will go to our star pattern as shown on figure on step 4. So now let's begin our Java coding. But so first of all we need to get this simple 5 star. Let's start with the class name star pattern curly braces open. For the main method you have to write public static void main string args square bracket open square bracket close s capital in the string. Here you have to take the data type int for the looping I. According to the question, first step we have to print 5 star on a different line. So we have to initialize with I equal to 1 and I less than equal to 5 conditions. So there will be a changes of 1 increment, so I plus plus. So here we have to write the statement, printing statement system dot out dot print ln to change the line of star after every numbers, after every row. So you have to double quotes and star pattern double quotes close bracket curly braces, sorry, semicolon curly braces close for public and for the class. This is for printing the star in 5 different lines. So here we have taken initialize with 1 and condition is 5. It will go from 1 to 5 after every increments. Compile this program, right click void main. Okay, you can see here we have got the step 1 for the pattern according to our question. Now let's go to the step 2 pattern. In the step 2 pattern we having a row and column combination. It having a 5 row and 5 column. In all the columns it having a 5 star. So we have to give the combination of row and column. This is for the counting the row, that means counting the different lines. We can say here the row loop, and for the column there will be another loop that is for printing. For the printing we'll take the j equal to 1, j less than is equal to 5 according to our question, j plus plus. Here double quotes, sorry, semicolon curly braces, and this is for the j loop. And after printing every line there will be a changes of line also, system dot out dot print ln. This one is, it will print the same line, so we'll remove the ln here and we'll initialize with the data type also j. So this is for printing the different line 1 to 5 in the column part, and this is for changing the row. So let's compile and check the output. See here we have got the output in 5 different lines. We having a 5 column in the first row and the 5 star in the second line, 5 star in the third line, and the so on. So let's go to the step 3 to print the pattern in triangle form. So before printing, let's see the structure of third steps to print the star in triangle form. Here we can see that there is a 5 rows. So in the row part there is no changes, but there is a changes of column part of the loop. There you can see after every loop, after every star pattern, there is a changes of column. So changes is column according to the row wise. Here we'll put the j less than equal to 1. So compile this and see the changes. Here you can see the output. In the first row there is 1 star, and in the second row there is a 2 star. The column is 1 and 2. In the third row there is a 3 star according to the column 1 2 3, and in the fourth row there is a 4 star, and the fifth column star. You can check in the program also that. Let's try to understand the program. Here the I value is equal to 1. So this loop will go from 1 to 1. Here j will start from 1 and it will go to 1. It will print the star as a first line. Star as the first line. After printing, the j will increase and it will terminate from the loop because it will go 1 to 1. In the second step, it will change the line for ln. Next one is when the I is equal to 2. So here the I value will come 2, but the j will start from 1 to 2. So here the star printing will be 2. Now again after printing it will change the line. It will change the line. Next it will go to I value, the row will become 3 and the j will start from 1 to 3. So this loop is for counting the line, row line, and this loop is for printing. Hope you have understood. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel and have a nice day.